Welcome to EFIX Professionals Network PLC. To register as a group aggregator from any website browser, go to our website www.fics.com.ng. Once you get to the website, click on Register Group and input your email. Ensure that the email is the same email you used to register as a member while doing your basic membership registration. Then click on Send OTP. OTP is a one-time password that will be sent to your email. Input that code into the space provided and click on Verify and Continue. Once that has been verified, the aggregator registration form will load and you will be required to fill in necessary details like your business name, the number of years you have been in agent banking, how many service providers you have worked with, the number of agents you currently manage, the number of agents you can register in 1 month, the state your network covers, that is, where your agents are located. You can now pick as many states as possible, then click on Submit. After successful submission, the application will be subject to review. So after submission, you wait for your application to be approved, and you're supposed to get an email indicating that your application is approved. In that email, you'll get your group code or aggregator code. Then you can go back to our website, www.fics.com.ng. Go to login. You'll see two options, FIC member and groups/aggregator. Click on the groups/aggregator at the bottom. You will see Don't have an account, create one. Click on Create One. Group/aggregator registration page will be open. Since your application has been approved, your database will already be on the system. So you can select your group or aggregator. You will see the name of the aggregator and their email will automatically be filled into the email box. Then you input your password. Click on Send OTP. OTP is a one-time password which will be sent to your email. Copy it and put it in the OTP code box. And then you click on Verify and Create Account. After this, your account is created successfully and your dashboard will open immediately. On the dashboard, you will be able to see your activities, your members' activities, and activities of your agents, and so much more. If you have any more questions or clarity, please reach out to us. Thank you and have a great day.